Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math Today. This is a topic on quadratic equations. When I first learned about quadratic equation, my first thought is, when am I going to ever use this in my real life? Well, as it turns out, quadratics are actually everywhere around us. Let me show you some amazing example that might surprise you. First is the basketball trajectory. We start with something that you see everyday, sports. Every time you watch someone shoot a basketball, throw a baseball, or take a soccer ball, you're actually watching quadratic equation in action. The perfect arc the ball makes, that's a parabola. The ball can go up, reach a peak, and then come down following a quadratic path because of gravity. Now look at this satellite dish. Engineers use quadratic equation when designing this because the parabola shape actually does something incredible. It takes all the signal coming from space and focuses them perfectly into one spot. The same math applies to the massive pictures you see and beautiful arches in buildings. The parabola shape isn't just pretty, it's actually the strongest and the most efficient. In business and economics, it is also practical for your future. In business, companies use quadratic equation to figure out the goods sweet spot for pricing. Imagine you're selling Taylor Swift concert tickets, too cheap and you lose money, too expensive and nobody buys them. Quadratic equation how you find the perfect price where you make the maximum profit. It will help you become a better entrepreneur. And finally, if you ever drive in the future, you're actually benefiting from quadratic equation. Cars headlight also use the parabolic reflectors to focus the light beam perfectly on the road. Even the braking distance of a car follow a quadratic equation, which is why speed limits exist to keep all of us safe on the road. The amazing thing is that all these real-world applications use the same exact mathematical principle we are learning in class. So remember that when you are solving quadratic equation, you're not just doing homework, you're learning a language that describes how the world really works.